Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create and save a sub-portfolio. You can choose to subdivide your main portfolio into sub-portfolios. A sub-portfolio is a portfolio contained inside another portfolio. Just like with regular portfolios, sub-portfolios can have conditions to limit the securities that it will contain. The great thing about sub-portfolios is that it will automatically inherit the conditions of the portfolio that contains it. For example, if your main portfolio is limited to stocks denominated in USD, and your main portfolio contains a sub-portfolio that is limited to stocks that pay dividends, the sub-portfolio will only contain dividend-paying stocks denominated in USD. If you haven't created a main portfolio yet, go watch the tutorial named How to Create and Save a Portfolio before continuing this video. Let's add a sub-portfolio to the tutorial portfolio that we created previously. Remember, the tutorial portfolio accepts only securities that are denominated in USD. In the main screen, below the main portfolio name, click Plus Sub-Portfolio and choose Plus New. The interface should be familiar. Just like with the portfolio creation interface, Tasseo will allow you to set the name of the subportfolio, the maximum percentage weight for any one stock, the maximum number of securities, and the conditions limiting what the subportfolio can contain. Let's say we only want stocks that pay dividends. Let's name this portfolio Div Portfolio. If a stock pays any dividends throughout the year, its dividend yield will be greater than 0. If you don't know what dividends are, check out our glossary. In the Conditions section, we again click the 3 buttons and choose Compare Statement. For the left-hand side, choose Stock, Dividend, and Yield. For the comparison, choose Greater Than. And on the right-hand side, choose Constant, Number, and enter 0. Save globally. You are almost done. You now need to decide what percentage of your total portfolio this subportfolio will represent. If you want dividend-paying stocks to represent 40% of your portfolio, click the percentage field next to the subportfolio name and type 40. Note that the line below now reads Tutorial Portfolio-EX, and the percentage will update to 60%. This line represents the rest of your portfolio. Now remember, just because your subportfolio will contain only dividend-paying stocks doesn't mean that the rest of your portfolio cannot contain dividend-paying stocks as well. You have now successfully created a subportfolio. You can also create a portfolio or subportfolio from the menu on the left. If you mouse over the left menu and click Subportfolios, Tasseo will provide the same subportfolio creation interface that we just discussed. Now that you have a portfolio and a subportfolio, you can establish rules to buy stocks directly into the subportfolio, representing 40% of your total portfolio, instead of into the main portfolio. We will cover how to establish these rules in the Buy Action tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.